Hello, I am Jethro Smith. I'm the author of Uncle Jethro's Guide to the Sixth Sense, Awakening Your Intuition. What I have written here is a wonderful book to use at home. Not only the things that you can use at home, like your playing cards, dice, dominoes. These were tools that I was trained and worked with my teacher to be able to heighten my gift. For anyone that wants to see their own future, do readings for others, this is the book you need. It has picture-by-picture direction for you. And also what I've added into the book is that I also have shielding and mirroring. For those of you new to that, you want to not only shield your energy, whether you work in another career out, you don't want to have people taking your energy. We hear about it every day now with psychic vampires or other people taking energy from you. This book has the excellent step-by-step guide for you, and what is really excellent now is you can get it not only on my website www.psychicjethro.com, you can also pick it up in Barnes & Noble or buy it on Amazon and have it at your own home. So what I want to welcome each and every one of you to do is take a little time, look at this. Is this something that is going to help me with my life? And I use those older tools you don't hear about anymore. I know a lot of you are going, okay, I love the tarot. I do too. Took awards with it. But you're in a quick hurry. We all know the rules of the tarot. You can't drop one on the floor or you can't use it again. You shouldn't have them ever left unwrapped. You have to go through so much. This is giving you a really good tool of the regular 52 plain deck, and then you can just sit down, do your own reading, and it will give you those answers. One of the questions I get the most is it as accurate as the tarot? Yes, because think of it. You have the major arcana, and those cards are very long and strong, and they mean 3 months. Where you have this in there, or these 52 have it in, and you can multiply use it. You should do a tarot reading only once every 28 days, or you can affect your reading. Or with playing cards, you can move them, do them, repeatedly do it. Check yourself, verify. Each and all of us want confirmation. We know we're intuitive, we know we have abilities. We want to make sure those abilities are tuned to your best interest. And that's where you'll find it, is in this book.